everybody, how's it going? My name is Reno King, and I own Armor Coating, and this is my worldwide headquarters, Armor Coating. Today I got a new video to do, and I haven't done one in a really long time, mid last year, but I'm going to try to get back on the video train. Can't always make videos. My shop and what I do here is priority. Videos are extra to try to help you guys out. So today we're going to be doing a box opening of a Samez Kremlin Inocart system. So this is the box feed system from Columbia Coatings. I just went and picked it up this morning. Got up early, drove down to Columbia Coatings. Fortunately, they're about an hour and a half away. So we're going to sit here and open this box up and check it out, see what's in it. Big shout out to Brian Talley and Austin Talley and Brock. Those guys are awesome. Been helping and supporting me for over 6 years now. Powder coating equipment and supplies. I get probably 90% of my stuff from these guys. So it's really awesome. The relationship that we have and has been going on for years, and hopefully many more years to that. So we're going to get to it and open this bad boy up and check it out and see what it looks like. This is just a box opening. I'm not going to set it up. I just want to show y'all what's in there. We'll go over other features later down the line, but I got the plug up and hook up and set up, the cleaning system. We're going to do a whole line of videos for this gun. Accessories, when they come out, I'm going to try to get those immediately so I can get you guys a good review on them. And this is going to be my main powder coating gun, replacing my old Powder Coat Pro knockoff gun that I got like 4 years ago. I'm still rocking my 2.0, my Cool Coat 2.0. I still use it every day for small little stuff. It's a really great gun, and the only problem I've ever had on it was me breaking the original gun, and I replaced it with their new Omega gun. So it's still kicking and doing good. But this is my big guy that will get all those awesome tight areas, more complicated parts, large part runs and stuff like that. So we're going to dive deep into it over the next couple months, really check it out, test it really hardcore. I did go to Columbia Coatings back in July, right when they got their first set or first ones on hand, their first gun for them to use and test out, and it was pretty awesome. I took a wheel and a chair down there, and they coated them perfectly, no problem. Of course, these items were not super prepped and clean. The finished product was not what I was looking for at that moment in time. It was how the powder was attaching to the product. They came out great. We shot a lot of their custom colors, their new colors, and stuff like that. So we're going to get into this and open her up and show you what all she's got. Now, I will say I got just the bare bones how it comes. I didn't get any accessories except for a 1 pound hopper and a 3 pound hopper and the airline attachments for that. But they do run promotional stuff here and there, which is like you can get promotional gift options, and that's if they're running that deal. Samez Kremlin V3 Vortex Cup or a 5 pound fluidizer keg. But I just got the bare bones because I like to do my own thing. And I'm pretty sure there's some things I'll modify, but that's just with like the air intake, and I'm probably going to put a quick connect because the fluidization has a quick connect, and with my current box feed system, I'll run a fluidizer or the box feed, and the only thing I think I'll lack is to put a quick connect on my fluidizer part of my hopper, and then she should run perfectly for that. So we'll dive into that, and we'll get her knocked out. Now let's open this bad boy up. All right, let's do it. Oh, Here she goes. Ah! Wrapper, I have got into it a little bit because I wanted to see what was all there, so I know what the video is about. So bear with me. So this is the box with all the accessories in it. And we'll go over that. And I want to open this guy up and show you about it. Maybe do a little walk around real quick, and then we'll dive into the accessory or all the accessories in the little box. This does come fully assembled, except for small things that would move around and hit and bang. But for the most part, she's ready to go, and probably takes like 5-10 minutes to set everything up and get her running. So, but we're not going to run it today. We're just going to look and see what's all in here. Probably use 2 people, but I shoot these videos by myself, so it is what it is. But I already bought it, so if I break it, it's my fault. All right, there she is in all her glory. These little things right here, you put the Venturi on it and hold it, and then we're just slinging it over or sitting it to the side. It just fits over there, so you can do your clean system. Nice little gun holders. Cart moves really well. Got some nice little wheel booties on there. Keep them tires clean. Put some tire shine on them. But looks really nice. Very sturdy. Nothing's loose or moving around, so she comes pretty assembled. They put an air fitting on here because most powder coaters here, I guess, use air fittings, whereas the main air fitting for this, I don't know what size it is, but it's a quick connect line that you just push in there. But they put me on one of these air chuck fittings, which that's what I use through my whole shop. That guy right there. Power cord right there. So that's good. And this is the powder tube. And show you all that right there. And this has got the Venturi on it, so I'll show y'all where that goes to hold it. So powder tube, really nice Venturi. That's where you get the air hose set up. And we'll dive deeper into this, how it works, and the air separator system. I did mess with this back in July, but it was Daniel Powers with Dirty White Boy Coating and Brandon Morgan with B2. They were there. Really great friends of mine, fellow business and brothers of mine. But and then I brought some people, my son and another guy. So there's a bunch of people trying it out, and really didn't have time to dive into everything and look at all the intricacies. We were mainly just looking at how it coats and stuff, but it coated really good. So I finally got around to buying one, and this is what we're gonna do: set her up and do some cool videos. So this is what I was talking about this that's the Venturi, where normally my Venturis are set up with a male Venturi that fits down into a female fitting on the lid of the hopper. These are female fittings that sit down onto a male fitting on your powder tube, pickup tube, or your hopper. So there are going to be attachments for that. I think they're in the works, but I can't say officially. I don't know. But I have seen some stuff out there that are coming. So this guy right here, when you take it off here and you're going to clean the system, you can store your Venturi right there with your lines hooked up to it, and no more hanging over. It's pretty sturdy. Fits on there just like that. It's got O-rings on it, so it fits nice and tight, but is easy to install and remove. So that's awesome. So you got your display screen where you turn it on. Don't think there is a switch in the back. All your power system is powered on here in the front, on, off, and all your menu select systems are here. These are your air lines. This is your dosage air, your powder air, and your fluidized air fittings. And those all go on here, your fluidized air and whichever one, your pickup, your dosage and your auxiliary air to push it through. Those are the fittings for that. And we'll get that stuff lined out when we put it together. So really nice system, really sturdy. I like the little wings on the side to hold your hoses and stuff. I really like these right here, so no matter which side of the booth you're on, they're convenient. You can hook them up, hook your Venturi up there, hold your gun and whatnot. And yeah, hope you guys like that. So now we'll look and see what's in this other box over here. So, it comes with your ground cable. The stands get your ground cable, your power cable, your moisture filter, which is inside. It's already, your moisture filter is already hooked up on the back side of here, and then that's where your air plugs into that. Your airline fittings, and that's these right here. Your pickup tube with the pump, and that's this guy right here. That all comes in there. Now in the box, they have the green powder feed hose. I believe it's grounded powder feed hose. 15-foot black hopper pressure hose, and that's for your 1 pound and 3 pound small hoppers. Your spray gun with your flat spray nozzle, nose cone, and gun barb. And your swing arm, which is the piece that sits here that holds your powder pickup tube, and the manual for the motor and the controller and all that. There's a zip drive in there, some quick tips, which this is your quick tips for setting your voltages, your kV and your microamps. And it gives you your air and your power, your injection and dilution settings, and your kV and microamp settings. So y'all can see that right there. You can go over that right there. So that's good to know. That's the number one question when getting these complicated digital guns that's fully adjustable. Like, where do I start? So I'm pretty sure Austin Talley's the one that sat down and dialed these gun settings in. They should be good because he does a lot of shooting with the powder and stuff and testing these guns and equipment out. Let's get this box. Get this stuff out of here. Awesome green hose, and my wife's gonna love this because her favorite color is neon fluorescent green looking stuff. So I'm a black and red kind of guy, but I really like this setup though. It looks good. So here's your hose for it. Here's your 1 pound and 3 pound with the hose attachments for it. And they have those nice little fittings right there, and that's the extra fitting that I was talking about getting, which it might be the smaller one for the air dosage line. It is a smaller one, so I'm gonna have to find some of these small fittings to put onto my fluidizer hopper, so I can just quick connect the fluidized air to my hoppers that I currently have. And here is the gun itself. Open this up. Boom. Really nice, really nice. Very nice, very nice. So, and this is a cartridge style, so you release it. It's kind of a little difficult because it's new and I don't have a hose connected to it. But that's your barb system, which is a barb on the bottom side, but a lock clip lock system when you push it into the gun. So there's nothing to pull out or anything like that, so it stays good and tugged. And then that's your tip feed air for your tip clean or your disbursement of your clouds or however. I know when I shoot, I use this a lot when I shoot bronzes because it helps keep the powder from accumulating on the electrode tip. So really nice gun, feels really great. This is pretty easy. You know, I know some of them are long-winded. This is just a couple turns and it's right off. This is your nozzle and your tip system, which I will be getting these other tips soon, hopefully. But as I get stuff, I'll be making videos of it and show y'all how it works, attaching it and spraying with it. So everything locks in really nice, nothing falls apart. This, I believe, can go in any way, so you can set your nozzle to any direction, vertical or horizontal, which depends on how I'm spraying, whether I spray vertical or horizontal, depends on the part. And that goes right back on. Really nice, easy. I know my other guns are really long-winded, and I don't know, I hate unscrewing everything all day long, but that's a really awesome feature. Here's a little book for the motor and the controller and the motor, I believe. The vibration motor. Yeah. I'll have to look more into this. Technical handbook. Yeah. And then these are the handles that help they go onto the side. They don't install these because it messes with the way the box and the packaging. So these are separate, but they're really easy. Just take out the screw on top. They actually have a dowel pin lock to sit, so they won't turn or anything. But these will go onto the sides right here. Y'all can see that really well. So I'll be connecting these up. After I get done making this video, I'm gonna finish installing it and looking over everything, checking it out. And your arm right here for your powder feed. This has a really awesome feature for to hold your pickup tube in the upright position. And I can just show you that real quick. Put this on here. And boom, locked in, holds, pick it up, drop it, and it drops down. Store it right here. That is a pretty cool feature. I really like that. You're gonna get a kick out of it. I enjoyed it. Can't wait to use it on a daily basis. And that pretty much does it. So that's pretty much the box opening and the attachments and stuff that come with it. We'll be going over more. Hopefully next week I can get y'all power up and set up, which ain't really much to set up other than hooking up the gun and getting the cable lined out, and she's ready to cope. And thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all the years of support and following and watching my videos. Be sure y'all still, if you're new or haven't done so yet, Facebook, Armor Coating, Reno King on Facebook, Armor Coating and Reno King on TikTok, and Armor Coating on Instagram. Reno King and Armor Coating on Instagram, and just Armor Coating on TikTok. I'm sorry. I appreciate all the support, and a big shout out to Brian at Columbia Coatings for getting me this setup going. And thanks for watching. We'll see you guys around.